A flame rollout switch can trip or fail in ways that force the furnace blower to run continuously. When a flame rollout switch senses flame where it should not be, it opens the circuit to the burner controls and can force the furnace into a state where the blower remains energized to clear heat. Technicians should understand that some units wire the blower, so it continues to run when safety circuits are open to prevent heat buildup. Start by locating the switch near the heat exchanger or burner cabinet and visually inspect for scorch marks or melted wiring. That tells you the flame actually escaped the combustion chamber. Test the switch with a multimeter set to continuity after the unit has cooled and power is isolated. A normally closed switch should show continuity until it trips. If the switch is tripped, you should not simply reset it and walk away. Investigate why it tripped by checking for blocked flue, improper gas pressure, delayed ignition, or cracked heat exchanger that lets flame leak. Replace any switch that shows intermittent contacts, has physical damage, or fails the continuity test, and install the correct replacement rated by temperature and terminal type to avoid nuisance trips. When replacing components, retest the whole system for proper venting, combustion, and safe operation before returning power, and confirm the blower behavior is normal during startup and cooldown sequences. Homeowners often mistake a tripped flame rollout switch for a bad thermostat, but the underlying issue is a combustion or venting fault, so do not just reset the switch and ignore combustion inspection. Hire a qualified technician to check the heat exchanger and venting. Another common mistake is replacing the switch with the wrong type, which leads to repeat trips or failure to protect the furnace. So match temperature and terminal configuration exactly and verify part compatibility. People sometimes assume brief resets mean the problem is solved, but if the cause is high gas pressure or a cracked heat exchanger, the risk is significant. So once a switch trips, suspect a serious combustion issue and arrange for a professional diagnostic and repair. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals who respond to project requests and by offering a searchable directory that connects project needs with available tradespeople. We also help contractors find work and build relationships through our project leads and our active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange experiences and troubleshooting tips.